The Field Science Fellowship is an amazing way for undergraduates to be able to conduct their own research under faculty because of the natural reserve system.
I'm out here in the field and I'm pursuing my own passions and writing my own experiment.
It's a really good chance to work with professors and mentors and being able to formulate that all together into a project of our own.
Giving students that autonomy is what I feel makes for wonderful, incredible, creative researchers.
This fellowship pays students so that anyone who has the interest can participate and gain these really amazing experiences, which will hopefully launch their careers.
We're looking at how drought stress and water limitations are affecting how trees are growing, how efficiently they're using their water throughout a dry season. We're also taking branchlet samples for a measurement that compares leaf area to sapwood area. And basically, this is the thing that tells you about hydraulic efficiency.
A really big resume builder is seeing student research experience and independent work. She spent a lot more time with me, so I can write a really strong letter of recommendation.
Gary and I set out to find how the Woolsey wildfire affected the stream biodiversity in the Santa Monica Mountains. I designed the entire thing. That's crazy. In labs, it's you're given a pamphlet, you're given a manual, and it's here, follow these 10 steps. But here it's you have to make up your own steps as you go. So I really value that.
From when we started and seeing her really being timid to even get her feet wet in the stream, and now understanding what is in that water and what's important in there and what's potentially negatively impacting this habitat, she has that full perspective now.
Where the beach meets the coast is a really interesting dynamic system because you have all this subsidy and supplements coming in like kelp, like algae, like carrion from dead animals. Coyotes and mountain lions and bobcats will scavenge on these courses and they get a huge bonus of food. How does the food from a separate system help this terrestrial system? We've been measuring what kind of insects are there and how many insects there are. To look at the big vertebrates, we have these camera traps. We see these changes ripple throughout the food chain, all because of this one pulse of nutrients and food from a different ecosystem.
It's been really fun to see her progress and to do some really cool work out here. This is a great experience for her to set herself up for success in the future.
If you want to spend a summer outside and learn something new, definitely apply to the fellowship because it's the perfect place for you.
I feel it's rare that you find people of color in science. It's very rare. So when you do, it just means the world to have that representation. That's why I'm very happy to be one of the people to have gotten the fellowship because I can show other people that yeah, we belong here.